What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got these OEM window visors for the Odyssey. It came in like several days ago. So these are a used set. These visors are, I guess, rare now because they're discontinued, and the only way you can get them is if your Odyssey came with them, or if you find one from a used Odyssey. But I have window visors on them right now, but I have the aftermarket ones, and if you're into Odysseys or this kind of van, you'll know the difference between aftermarket window visors and the OEM window visors. So the aftermarket visors look like this, and the OEM ones pretty much are more low profile, which is like closer to the glass, and they run all the way up and cover this part, so you don't have that awkward trim showing there. It just looks like one clean, sleek piece. They either have this one for aftermarket or the in-channel visors, but I feel like the OEM one looks the cleanest and the best. So I've always wanted to get the OEM ones, but could never find them. But lucky thing, I seen someone selling them on eBay. A lot of the visors they end up fading though, and the reason why I'm making this video, because there's nothing really special about visors. But you see this? I'm gonna show you guys how you can restore them and get them looking in better condition. So far I've been working on removing the tape that came with the visors, the existing tape like this. Been trying to get that off, and I only did one so far, 1 out of 4, and I kind of started on polishing or restoring this guy. So you guys can see the difference. This is like more shinier, and then once it comes here, you can see like how dull it looks. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how we get here. So I'm gonna just continue this piece that I've been working on. So this is a side that I have done already, and you can see the difference compared to this side, which I haven't touched yet. But pretty much for this task, we're gonna be using the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, a microfiber cloth, and white diamond polish. This is actually metal polish, but it says you can use it on your headlights, which I've done before, and they work pretty well with plastic, so I finish it off with this. So we start with putting the compound on. It's pretty simple. You just put the compound on, grab your microfiber rag, and just go to town. This would probably work with other compounds as well, but I'm using this because I've always used this on like paint or other stuff, and it works pretty well, and I already had it in my garage, so we're just making use of what we have. After you finish going at it for a while, you can wipe it down with the dry side of your microfiber cloth. or you can use a different cloth. And you can already see the difference. So this is the side I did earlier, and then this is the side I just did. You'll notice that it is shinier compared to the side that's untouched, but over here is like kind of more shinier. So it doesn't hurt to go over it a second time or even a third time, if anything. Next step is your white diamond. Throw some on the rag. And same thing, just rub it all in. And there it is. You can finally see the whole difference. You notice that you can actually see the bubble wrap underneath, whereas this area is like not too clear. So you can see a big difference. Probably gonna go over this side some more, but you can definitely tell the difference. See that? Let me pull out the other visors so you guys can see exactly how they look like without doing this process. So here are the visors. So yeah, you can definitely see the difference. So I still have the other three to remove all of this tape from. I only did this one so far, and then I'll just have to reapply double-sided tape, and then I can get ready to install it on the van. But I do still have to remove my aftermarket visors that I have on there right now. And to remove the tape, I've been using glue gun, as well as some scrapers, which works alright. But that's pretty much straightforward, so yeah, I just gotta do that and pretty much polish up the rest of the visors, and I'll get back to you guys when we finally throw it on the van. We'll see you guys when we get there. So we're back, and I was able to throw on the visors like a few days ago. So here's how they look like on the car now. Not bad. You can actually see like more defined reflection compared to a dull look, kind of like the side pillars. I'm probably gonna go over them like maybe a few more times, but so far it's looking good compared to all the faded window visors out there, but yeah. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys how they look like while on the car. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, drop a comment down below, share vids, and subscribe. Peace.